It's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol URRE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times this past week, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And the first thing I want to do is just a little house cleaning here. Yes, these lines up here that I'm deleting still do pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched the videos from earlier this week, hopefully you remember me talking about $2.80 as support, but given the price closed down here below it, it became a level of resistance, and you can see as the price was bouncing back up, didn't quite get up there, but I think we can all agree got well within the range, and then therefore acted as resistance. So short-term wise, going into next week, before you talk about getting back up in the $3 range or anything like that, that first level that needs to be broken is going to be $2.80. Now let's hop over to talking about levels of support here. The one level of support that did a good job of holding was right here. Again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the videos from the past, but here about $2.35, give or take a few pennies. And originally, didn't start off so good. It opened up there and fell back below it. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job and quickly pushed the price back up there. And then, remainder of the day essentially went sideways. But, going into next week, this is definitely the important level of support that you want to see hold. If the price cannot hold above it, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price head down there, to the pink line. Now, I'm not saying if the price dropped below it within 2 seconds, the price is going to be down to that pink line, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Just saying that, this is, as it stands right now, has proven to be a good level of support. But if it can't continue to prove to be a good level of support, then like I said, in my opinion, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking to see the price, at least test the pink line down there. So not the best way to end the week with the gap down. But from the big picture perspective, the bulls still have a chance. They still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So we'll see if they can do that or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.